Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Nano Banana on Adobe Firefly. So, Nano Banana is really useful for enhancing AI generated images, improving textures, and creating professional results quickly. So, the first thing that you will have to do once you're on your Adobe Firefly is you will ensure that you have Nano Banana integrated here. And once you've already integrated it, you will just have to upload your image to Firefly. So, just go ahead and click image, and then you will of course upload your image. And once you've already uploaded your image, you will just have to select Nano Banana here. So you do have to make sure that you've already integrated it so that you will be able to actually see it here. And after that, you will just have to apply the desired effects, like the desired effects like the enhancement, upscaling, and texture improvement, color adjustments, and all that stuffs. And once you're satisfied with all those effects, you will just have to adjust the settings for optimal quality, like the sharpness or the lighting, the details, and all that stuffs. And yeah, that's basically just how you can do it. And please make sure to like, subscribe, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.